Kubukeka isimo sinzima kulomndeni kaKatlego Bereng ukwamukela umbiko olibofuzo lwesidumbu sendodana yawo njengoba amaphoyisa seqinisekisile ukuthi isidumbu esatholakala egunjini okwakuboshlwe kulo Thabo Bester ngesendodana yawo. Uyise uthi amaphoyisa aqala ukuxhumana nomndeni wakhe ukuze benze ulibofuzo emva kokuthi uThabo Bester kanye nentombi yakhe udokotela uNandipha Magudumane sebebuyisele kuleli emva kokuboshwa kwabo eTanzania. Ngalokhu uthi bakukhathalele ukuthola izimpendulo.
We want answers. We are not happy about how our son died, because from what I heard from the family in Bloemfontein, they said somebody said my son collapsed in town. The ambulance took him to the hospital, he died there, then took him to government mortuary.
Uthi unethemba lokuthola umsuka wonke ngokushona kwendodana yakhe.
I didn't want to see any remains, but this one, no matter the state they are in, I want to see them. Because it will be a closure the day we know the truth, the day the state take ownership of this and come to the party.
Kusenjalo, ukhipha umyalezo oshubile awubhekise kuBester noMagudumane ngobuhlungu ababuzwise umndeni wakhe.
I will just ask them to repent and seek God. Because I cannot talk bad to them, I cannot talk bad about the situation, but they only have two choices: to repent from all these things they are doing, or to face the wrath of the God. God will punish them if they don't repent.
uThabo Bester kanye nodokotela uNandipha Magudumane bazobuyela enkantolo ngenyanga kaNhlaba ngokwehlukana ngezinsuku.